everybody. Oh, wow, that's way too. Hello everybody. I'm bringing you another video of Roblox.
Take your pill.
Oh, I didn't know you gave me one. Wow. Okay guys, I'm going to be a bit quiet today. My dad is sleeping because we just got home from a vacation. And he slept on your mattress for 2 nights. I slept on one for 3 nights. I slept talk. And I had the weirdest dream. That I was a cupcake eating another cupcake. That was also committing something. I don't know what it is. So today we will be playing... Actually, I didn't think of a game. I'm just picking one out randomly. You have a comment on the video. Oh, Armored Patrol. Actually, let's play Bird Simulator. Yeah, okay. So I haven't been uploading in the past few days. I just uploaded one video. Good vid. Okay, wait, Dad, can I talk louder now? For my YouTube video? Dad, can I talk louder for my YouTube video now?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta talk louder now. Thanks. That's 500 Robux. Can you buy tokens? Dang it. How much is this? $200. I hope this is a big bird. All this thing eats is a squirrel. It's actually easy. Eat meat. Oh, I got a weird bird. That can't not fly. Oh my god, why won't this thing fly?
What's your plan, ass? I'm gonna go take a shower right now. Okay.
Woo! Now I'm gonna eat a squirrel. Squirrel! Hi, the squirrel. Vacuum.
Stella's having a little bit.
Make the solder. These are important. Yes, I know food is important. All this thing eats is a squirrel. I can't believe that. Why did I just start diving? Has anybody ever hacked you before? Because that's what happened to me a few days ago. This thing is epic. Give me coins, please give me coins. Yay, 55 coins. This thing has food I must eat. As long as I keep my food up, I'm fine. Sorry, if you hear a bunch of Navy stuff going on in the background, I'm watching Smithsonian. Fly. Woo, woo. Welcome to my Simba. I've actually seen birds fly like this. Like they die, they keep on going like that. I've seen birds fly like that. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like you're never gonna die. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like you're never gonna die. Ba-dum, ba-dum, da-dum, 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 da-dum. Why am I scared? Scary. Dun-dun. I eat squirrels. Shitting on me. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna see if I can buy a hummingbird. I wonder how much those things cost. Oh shoot! I left the game. Yeah, fail for. How much does a hummingbird cost? 200 Robux or 60 tokens? Oh wait, so 60 tokens. I just need to level up. I'll be a bird that. Which bird is easy? Yeah, this one. No, okay, it's easy to find. Burn. I just need to level up. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Woo! This thing eats flowers, which is like so easy to find. But just fly, 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 fly till your heart dies. Woo! Leave a comment if you like this game. Leave a comment if you like this game. Subscribe. Leave a comment. And I'll end this video once I get a level up. So, this might be a while, and I can only have 16 minutes because I'm using QuickTime Player. I'm actually going to be ending the video here. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, subscribe. Have a good one.